Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a beautiful wig to talk about. Today's hair sponsor is Celie hair. I have worked with them a few times on my channel. So what I have installed today is a 24-inch body wave wig. This is in the 13x4 HD frontal wig. It is in the density 180%. This wig actually comes in a side part. Cut the lace. Do it in sections. If you do it in sections, then it's gonna be a much smoother install. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. I think I'm gonna go in about 2 coats today. Not much because, of course, you guys know I do a lot of these hair reviews, so I can't keep these wigs on for too long. I recently saw someone say to spread it with your fingers. I tried that and I swear you guys, the wig was lifting. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna clean the back of my comb off and then spread it quickly. I'm gonna go ahead with my second coat because you can see that the first layer is already pretty much dry. Press, 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 press. Next, I'm gonna go in with this ebony spray. This is the melt spray. I'm gonna go over the glue. So wherever I sprayed glue, I'm just gonna go over it. Lifting, guys, we want to secure that with the glue. So I know that I need more glue down here. And I'm just putting it on the hairs there. I don't really care. Like, I take the eyebrow razor and trim those off. Like, this HD lace, guys, it's going to show everything. If it's not a flawless melt, you're gonna see it. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I just go on top. So if I'm finding like I can't really lift it to get underneath, just go over it. Anywhere that needs more glue. Spray it on the back of your hand. This is the melt spray, the same spray we used earlier. And I'm gonna go in, and see, go in over that lace. While I do this, I like to have my hot comb and my curling iron ready, waiting for me, because that's gonna happen pretty soon here. This little powder palette. I'm gonna try to get some colors that look like my skin tone and just dab over it. Now, we are going to definitely do some sideburns. Review. Try our best. I like to curl under. Upper, no. To go in with some Eco Style gel. Sometimes I use the hairspray. I mean, just whatever I'm feeling at the moment. Go in. Swoop and hold. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys watching, if you're noticing in the video there's a lot of talking, and you might notice through the edits that I removed some of the talking, some portions, it's because I was filming, or I'm filming, I guess you're watching this past tense, but I was filming a TikTok while I'm installing this wig. So if you're noticing that, that's why that's happened. Get it how I want it. So let's get some wax stick, fix the part. Then go in. Oof, that's hot. Oh, Jesus. Oof, it's hot. Anywhere where it's like over bleached, just go in the slightest amount. Tidy up that part. I like to use the colors that look kind of like scalp. And then go in. We're gonna spray some spray to tone down that brightness. Okay. Go in to a hot comb. Let's recurl that. Body wave, babe. Okay, it's always difficult to curl the other side for some reason. You could also use a wand. So for the majority of the curling process, I'm just going to come back when I have a little bit more done. But that's pretty much what the curl is looking like, looking very bouncy. I love this wig. It does come pre-plucked and it does come with a pre-bleached hairline. I would say it's a pretty light bleach. It's not something that's super intense, but if you're someone that doesn't like bleaching your knots beforehand and you're just, you know, you have an event to go to and you just want to put it on and style it just like that, this wig is a great option. You can literally install her fresh out of the box. That's what I did today. I didn't wash or bleach the knots, like I said, because they already did the work for me. It also has 100% virgin hair. It's made from one donor. That's pretty rare, you guys. And you can see I'm running my hands through it. The hair is very soft. I would definitely recommend this wig. If you guys want to check it out, you want to purchase this wig from Celie Hair, I'm going to link it in the description box. So if there's a discount code, it's going to be there as well. Don't forget to check that out before you go. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.